Welcome everybody, Beach Office 365. So listen, I just recorded a video on the computer and I know I need to update my computer. I need to update the camera. If I'm gonna get back into this, I really need to, fix that because the quality just doesn't look good. But I just wanted to get another video out here. Folks, we are right in the beginning stages of what people are talking about as the banana zone with crypto. If you look at the last 2 days in terms of the Bitcoin ETFs, okay, they bought up $2 billion worth of Bitcoin. Okay, that's like 26,000 Bitcoin in the last 2 days. Do you know how much Bitcoin has been mined? It's 900 a day, right? So this is the the happening that we had 7, 8 months ago, whenever it was, that is going to start catching up. And typically, what I've understood about the halvings is that it does take about 6 to 8 months for it to start to reflect in the price. Well, institutions are really starting to flood the market. All right. So, I hope that you guys have been buying Bitcoin. Of course, I will leave down below, links to what I like to use for I buy $100 of Bitcoin every single day. And I'm going to continue to do that until we hit $100,000. And then I don't know what I'm going to do there, but I just think anything under 90,000 is still a steal. And I think one day we're going to look back and we're going to think about a 5-digit Bitcoin and wish that we had bought a lot more. All right. So anyway, check out Swan Bitcoin down below. Great way to just dollar cost average, safe. You know what I mean? They automatic buys and automatic withdrawals into a cold storage wallet, which is what they promote. That you're using. A couple things. There is a particular meme coin that I wanted to quickly just bring up. A lot of you have heard of Pepe. And I think that Pepe, similar to what Shiba did in the last bull cycle, Pepe is, you could see another, maybe another 10x. But I think we're a little bit late to that one. So if you haven't gotten into that yet, another one to take a look at, and just take a look at, I'm not saying buy, is Pepe coin. Okay, it's different. All right, look it up. It's connected, the same developers that are doing based AI. So it is a meme coin, but it's also in the AI category as well. And it's up big today, so you may not want to ape in necessarily today. It's up like 30-40%. But I have a feeling that one really has a lot more room to go up. So check out Pepe coin, check out based AI. These are some of the big gamble plays, right? This is where you put money in, not a ton, just in hopes that when we do, when the alt season does lift off and the AI narrative comes out and the meme narrative comes back, and when retail comes in, by the way, retail's not coming until we hit probably 100,000. That's my guess. I mean, right now, even with Bitcoin breaking all-time highs yesterday and today, it's not like huge amounts of retail are coming in that we've seen yet. The price action we're seeing is the institutions. Okay, it's Wall Street because of the win, Trump, becoming president. We haven't seen retail come. They're not going to start getting excited about it until it hits 100,000. That's what I think. Maybe 90,000. I don't know. But when they do come, that is when alts can go absolutely crazy, because they're going to come in, they're going to feel like they're late to Bitcoin, but then they're going to start hearing about all these altcoins and these meme coins, and there's going to be tons of people on TikTok and YouTube talking about becoming, a gillionaire if you invest in this dog shit coin. This is what happens, okay? And then they all throw their money in, and then everyone dumps on them. I mean, that's just, unfortunately, that is what happens to retail when they show up. They're always the last ones to the party. If you have been a subscriber of my channel, you have been through the entire bear market, and hopefully you've been dollar cost averaging. Hopefully you got your bags packed, all right? I got all my bags packed. The only thing I'm really buying right now is Bitcoin, because I just buy a little bit every single day. But anyway, I have added to some positions. Based AI and Pepe coin is something I think you should check out. Let me know what you think of this. Please, if you haven't subscribed already, would love it if you would subscribe. leave a comment. It's my favorite thing in the world. I love interacting. I try and respond to every single comment. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you all on the next one.